Hi guys, this is Achut. So we are going to be solving today's lead code question, which is find all the people who knows the secret. So yeah, let's get into the question. So here we are given n people, which are numbered from 0 to n minus 1, and then we are given array of meetings. So it is going to contain two-person, which is xi and then yi, and the meeting is going to be held at some particular time, which is ti, and then this is xi person and then this is yi person, and then it is going to held at the time ti, and then at the starting itself the person 0 knows the secret. The person 0 knows the secret, and he is going to spread this secret to the first person, which is at time ti equal to 0. So at the starting itself is going to share with the person, first person, which is going to be at time 0. And then at last we need to return all the people who knows the secret after all the meetings has been taken place. Suppose let's say all the meetings, let's say there are 10 meetings. So after 10 meetings, one after the other, all the meetings gets completed. So at that particular time, so who are the people who knows this particular secret? So we need to return that, and it can be in any order. So let's dive into the example. So let's assume there are nine people. There are n people. There are n people, which is nine, and then these are the meetings which is going to be held. And then, as we know that 0 person knows the secret at time equal to 0, and then he is going to spread this secret with the first person, which first person is the new person, and it is going to be 1. So 0 is going to share the secret with 1, and then all the meetings is going to be held one after the other. Let's say this is the meeting. This is the meeting which is going to held at time 10, and this is the time. This is the meeting which is going to held at time 10, and this is the meeting which is going to held at time 10, and this is the meeting which is going to held at time 2. So as we can see that the meeting which is scheduled at later point of time cannot be done before this particular time. So we need to sort the meetings based upon the meeting time. So we are going to sort this. So let's take this particular example, which is time equal to t1, t2, t3. This this time equal to t2, and then this is time equal to t t2, which is 10, and then t3 equal to 20. So this is the meeting timings at this meeting. Let's say we come to this meeting. This meeting, 3 doesn't know the secret, and then 5 doesn't know the secret, and then 5 doesn't know the secret, and 6 doesn't know. So these people cannot share the secret with other persons, which is 5 4 6 3. So now when we held the meeting at time t10, uh, t2 equal to 10, then if this is given at the last, then we are losing the information. So we are going to sort the meetings based upon that meeting time, which is ti. So we are going to sort that, and then after sorting we'll get all the meetings like this. And then at this particular time, so 0 knows the secret, and then 1 knows the secret. 0 knows the secret, and then 1 knows the secret. He knows the secret, and then 1 is going to spread the secret to 3. So this person is going to know the secret. After this, the after this we'll move to the next time, which is time equal to 10. At this, out of all these meetings, who are the persons who knows the secret? It is going to be 3, right? So this person is going to be picked, and then this person is going to spread the secret to 5 person. So he's going to spread the secret to fifth person. And then after this, this is the next iteration. So this is the next iteration. And then at this particular iteration, all the connected people to 3 is going to be visited. And then this particular person is going to spread the secret to 6 person. 6 person. And then we'll see whether there are any people who are connected to 6 and who doesn't know the secret. There is none of them, so we are going to stop here, and then after that we'll come back to time t3, which is going to be 20, and then at this particular time 6 knows the secret, so he is going to spread the secret to 8 person, and then this 8 person will be picked up in the next iteration. In the next iteration, we'll check whether there are any people connected to this site who doesn't know the secret. There is none of them, so it is going to stop here. And then at last we are going to check who are the persons who knows the secret. So uh, at the at the end of all the meetings, the people who knows the secret is going to be 0, and then 1, and then 3, and then 5, and then 6, and then 8. So these are the people who knows the secret after end of all the meeting. So we'll return this particular answer. So let's go through the code. So how it's been written. So at the first, we are going to take adjacency list, which is going to store all the people who are connected with the particular meetings based upon current time. There will be current time. At that particular time, who are the people who are connected to other people to share the secret. So if we see here, 3 is going to store at this particular time, 3 is going to store 1, and then 1 is going to store 3. But it will not store 3 is connected to 5. Why? Because it should be at this particular time, t1 equal to 2. At this particular time, whoever are connected with the meetings, it is going to store in the adjacency list. And then this visited secret will store whether the person knows the secret or not. If the person knows the secret, at the starting 0 knows the secret, and then first person knows the secret, so we are assigning it to true. And then we'll store the set of people who knows the secret at this particular time. So we'll be visiting each meeting based upon the meeting time. So we had sorted based upon the meeting time. So there is a comparison operator function which I wrote, like based upon the time. If the time of ai a2 is less than or equal to b2, it is going to return true, and it is going to be sorted based upon this. And then we'll go through all the meetings. We'll visit the first meeting first, and then we are going to pick the current time of this particular time, this particular meeting, and then we are going to add the people, add all the people who are going to be in the meetings at this particular time. So we are going to add all the people who are connected with the meetings at this particular time. So if we see this function, so we'll go through the meetings, and if it is at this particular time, then we are, if he knows the secret, if the person knows the secret, then we are going to store it in the no secret people set, and it can be first person, it can be second person. So we are going to store in that, and then we are going to add into adjacency list so that they are connected with the meetings at this particular time. So that if the person P1 knows the secret, he can share with the P2. If P2 knows the secret, then P2 can share with the P1. So that's why we are storing the people who are connected with the meetings in this particular adjacency list. So after adding all the people who knows the secret and adjacency list, we are going to do the BFS. Let's say there are people who knows the secret. There can be one person, second person, third person, and then these persons can be connected to other persons. Like it can be a graph. So after this, these people who knows the secret is going to spread the secret to other people who are connected to this particular person. Let's say the no secret set is not empty. Then we are going to pick each person which is going to be current person, and then this current person can be connected to other people which is connected person. It can be it can be one edge, it can be second edge, it can be third edge. So this connected person will see whether this particular connected person doesn't know the secret. If he doesn't know the secret, then we are going to say, yeah, this person is going to know the secret, and then we'll be adding into the next iteration for spreading the secret to other people which are connected to this particular connected person. So we are adding into the next iteration, which is going to be next dot insert a connected person, and then at last we are going to uh, keep the people who knows the secret in the next iteration, and then we are going to remove all the people which already shared the secret with connected person. So we are going to remove this, and then we are going to take the next person to knows the secret, and then we'll do the iteration till all the people who knows the secret has been empty. So after BFS time is done, so then we are going to move to the next meeting, and then we are going to pick at this particular time, and then based upon that we'll build the adjacency list, and then based upon that we'll do the BFS time for each meeting, each current meeting, and then we are going to do the index plus plus based upon moving the meeting. And then after this, after spreading all the after spreading the secret to all the people which are connected to one particular person, that is zero and then the known person, which is first person. So we need to get all the people who knows the secret at this particular time. So that will be stored in visited secret. So let's go through this particular function. So we need a vector of all the people who knows the secret. So we'll see whether the secret has been known by this person or not. If it is known, then we are going to add it into our answer, and then we are going to return it back into the answer. So let's see the time complexity. What is the time complexity it is going to be? So for sorting, it is going to be m log m, and then for going through all the meetings one by one, it is going to be m, and then for doing the BFS or inserting into inserting into the set, it is going to take log based upon the queue size or based upon the queue size. Yeah, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you do like the video, just like and then subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.